I'm at the Chamber of Commerce in Paulding County, and it's close to Dallas. I'm seeing an airplane up there and hearing very noisy traffic, and I'm listening to the birds. They sound so beautiful. The Silver Comet Trail is behind the Chamber of Commerce. I used to meet here for the task forces. And right now I'm rocking. They have rocking chairs outside, and they have these wonderful huge pumpkins that they must use every year. And I don't know if they put a light in it at night, but I bet that would be pretty. They have beautiful mums. It's just a great decorated place. Anyway, I thought I'd tell you that the Chamber of Commerce is in front of Silver Comet Trail, and then next to it is the health department. So behind that black rocking chair, there's a health department. Is where people from the 4-H and people who are master gardeners and people who are farmers go to find the newest research and free seeds. Go by today.